नमस्ते सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से और बात करेंगे इनॉक्स विंड शेयर फॉल ओवर 8% व्हाट ब्रोकरेज डिड नॉट लाइक इन Q3 रिजल्ट। Inox Wind share crashes 8% to a 52-week low of rest 97.50 on Monday after the wind turbine manufacturing reported a small quarter market but slacks execution and a sharp earning miss that promoted progress to slash price target and cut growth forecast. The company delivered just 252 megawatt in the third quarter will below expectation while consolidated revenue of Rs 1,207.5 crore miss estimates by a stunning 34%. Adjusted profit of Rs 117 crore came in 35% below forecast, weighted down by surging interest costs and minority interest outfall. Nomura led the downgrade, slashing its target price Rs to Rs 155 from the Rs 200 and cutting its valuation multiple to 20 times from 30 times on weak management guidance. The brokerage also permits execution estimates across the board now, expecting a gigawatt in fiscal 2026, 1.6 GW in fiscal 2027, and 2 GW in fiscal 2028, down from previous forecast of 1.1 GW, 1.8 GW, and 21 GW respectively. On ground channels of execution, Precious and Nomura said maintaining it a buy rating despite the setup cuts. Motilal Oswal was similarly bearish, slashing its price target to Rs 150 from an earlier level and cutting its the valuation multiple to 20 times from 20 times. The firm cited and weaker statement in the wider market as well as in the power renewable sector, along with a modest cut to earning and a slower than expected pace of new order. The brokerage cut fiscal 2026 and 2027 profit estimates by 10% and 5% respectively after adjusting deliveries and relation and lower. It is the maintain a buy rating. Nothing the revised target price implies 42% upside. The Qatar EBITDA margin of 23.30% came in lower than 22.4% post a year earlier, potentially aided by a better mix of WTG supply with EPC related installation costs are likely to spill over to Q4 financial year 26/financial year 27, Nomura said.